Why the Epson PowerLite L260F just crushed your flat panel TV dreams. And your budget. Let's keep it real, you're probably drowning in cables, stuck with a boring display that looks like a 2010 PowerPoint nightmare, and still praying your outdated projector doesn't blow a bulb mid-presentation. You're not just dealing with tech that's old, you're suffocating under it. Your students are zoning out, your team's attention span is non-existent, and you're left fiddling with grainy visuals that belong in a museum. The motivation's fading fast when your tools block your flow and your ideas get buried under dull, pixelated sludge. If your visuals don't inspire, how the heck are you supposed to? Now amplify that pain. You're trying to captivate a distracted class or clinch a boardroom win, but instead, you're battling tiny screens, washed-out images, and equipment that screams "I give up." Crushing deadlines keep breathing down your neck, but your gear just can't keep up. You're losing engagement, missing impact, and worst of all, your time is being wasted by tech that should have retired years ago. And the fear that it'll all crash during a critical pitch? Yeah, that stress is very real. Welcome to burnout, delivered in 1080p, barely. Enter the Epson PowerLite L260F, 3 LCD laser projector, aka your new visual secret weapon. This beast brings true 1080p resolution, a jaw-dropping 4600 lumens, and a 21:9 ultra-wide display that makes flat panels look like sad, overpriced coasters. No lamps. No nonsense. Just 20,000 hours of laser-fueled, zero-maintenance power. Wireless casting from up to 50 devices, built-in content tools, and split-screen magic make it the classroom hero, boardroom MVP, and signage superstar. Forget blurry slides. Forget system crashes. This is plug-and-play wizardry at its finest. But wait, it gets better. Want seamless integration, easy wall-sized images, and enterprise-grade wireless security? Boom! You got it. The Epson PowerLite L260F doesn't just display content, it amplifies it. With flexible install options, edge blending, and projector management for up to 2,000 units, yes, really, your workflow gets turbocharged. Whether you're upgrading an aging fleet or finally ditching your sad flat screen, this projector will have you asking, "Where have you been all my life?" So yeah, go ahead, click the link, watch it shine, and imagine never fumbling through setup again. Don't wait, this model is flying off the shelves like it's got wings and a diploma in dominance. Thousands of teachers, presenters, and pros are already making the switch, and trust us, they're not looking back. If you want jaw-dropping images, total control, and tech that actually listens to you, unlike chat and IT, now's the time. Act fast. Inventory is tight, demand is insane, and your next unforgettable moment is one click away. Upgrade to the PowerLite L260F, and show the world what brilliant really looks like. Let's go.